Hi friends, today I am going to talking about Asal Full Moon Poya Day. It is very special and important day for Buddhism people. It falls on full moon day of month of Asala, usually in July. This Poya Day marks several important events in the history of Buddhism. The most significant event is the Buddha delivered his first sermon known as Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta to the five ascetics at Isipatana in India. And the Yamaka Maha Pratiharya is also an important thing in Asala Full Moon Poya Day. It also known as the Twin Miracle. The Buddha performed this miracle to show the truth of his teachings and to help people who doubted him. During the miracle, fire and water came from his body at the same time in different ways. This amazed everyone who saw it. On that day, the Prince Rahula, the son of Prince Siddhartha and Prince Yasodhara, was born on Asala Poya Day. And the Sangha, the community of Buddhism monks, was established. Also, the Prince Siddhartha decided to leave the palace in search of the truth. This is known as Great Renunciation. And the Mahamaya princess saw a beautiful dream of the Siddhartha prince came to her stomach. Also, the famous Kandi Asala Perahara is held during the Asala season to honor the sacred tooth relic. Asala Poya Day remind Buddhists to follow the teachings of the Buddha and practice kindness, wisdom and compassion. So the Asala Full Moon Poya Day is very special day to Buddhism people. On that day, the Buddhisms are going to temples, observe Sila and doing many religious activities. Asal Full Moon Poya Day teach us to good, kindness and follow the path shown by Lord Buddha. So, I wishing you a peaceful Asal Full Moon Poya Day to all of you. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share.